Jeg føler mig ikke personligt overvåget overhovedet. Det er jo, men kameraerne sidder der for at dokumentere det fiskeri, jeg laver. Jeg vil vise, at der findes danske fiskere, der kan leve af at fange fisk på en reel måde i pagt med naturen.
In 2008, we started up a camera monitoring program where we went from a landing quota system into a catch quota system. And here I could just see so many possibilities in filming what we are actually, or what the fishers are doing at sea. Niels was one of the first fishers who participated in the project, and he has now been with us since 2010, filming all his net hauls, all days, all year. On each vessel we have two cameras, at least two cameras. So one is filming over the side, so exactly the point where the net breaks the surface, because this is where heavy bycatch tends to fall off. So we need to film there. So the second camera is here, and this is where the fisherman is, when the net comes in, this is where he takes off the fish and sort the fish.
If we don't know what's going on board a fishing vessel, we don't know how many marine mammals, how many birds, how many animals are being taken out of the sea. And we're talking about populations that are relatively small compared to the many fish that can be in the water, and that take a long time to recover if we take, some of these animals. So what we need to know is really how many get out of the water or die from bycatch. The boat's connected with one of these antennas to the mobile network. It's 4G or 5G, and when the boat is near the harbor, or even when it's out at sea sometimes, it just transmits the data directly onto our servers that are secured. So some of the data stays here for security and backup. The others goes to our servers directly, and then we can do the whole analysis directly from the office.
So when we get the data from Niels, then we get it into this program that I can access, and then we can see here the sensor data is coming. So the GPS, we can see he's sailing out from the harbor. Then he's going over here to the green part, and that means that he's sailing very slowly. So he's hauling a net, and we see there's a cormorant bicaught here in his net. So what we register here is all birds and porpoises, skates, rays and seals.
Og hvordan har det været at have kameraer på?
For mig har det været super. Altså, jeg ved godt, det lyder sådan lidt nørdet, men i og med, at der er gået så lang tid med det, og jeg har aldrig haft nogle problemer med det, så føler jeg lidt, at jeg ikke er alene ude at sejle. Jeg står på mål for det, jeg gør.
Ja.
Så jeg føler jo ikke på nogen måde. Altså for mig, jeg siger jo, ligesom det står i papirerne, at det er bare fuldt dokumenteret fiskeri. Ja. Og det har jeg det helt fint med.
Ja. Men det handler selvfølgelig om, at man stoler på hinanden. At jeg ikke misbruger de data, og jeg stoler på dig, at du viser mig sandhed.
Og jo, jeg stoler i den grad på jer.
The project has started up as being a pilot project. It became a scientific program, and now it's part of the National Data Collecting Framework, where we collect data on protected species for the Commission. Based on this great collaboration and good success of the project, we are of course more than happy to engage with other countries who wants to implement cameras on board their vessels to monitor bycatch of EDP species.